In this video, we look at the most important causes of gray hair. Early gray hair, also known as gray hair, can have a negative impact on a person's image, self-esteem, confidence, and public acceptance. It's not just about aesthetics. It affects how people feel about themselves and how others feel. Understanding the causes of gray hair can help control these effects and eliminate them effectively. Hair is one of the most beautiful and unique features of a person. Our hair varies in color from deep black and deep brown to light blonde and fiery red. The difference in hair color is caused by a pigment called melanin, which is produced by special cells called melanocytes. These are the same cells responsible for skin pigmentation, showing the complex relationship between skin and hair color. Melanocytes are located in the hair follicle, the root of the hair. As each hair grows from the follicle, the melanocytes inject melanin into the keratin cells. Keratin is a protein that not only makes up our hair, but also our skin and nails. Over time, these melanocytes inject the pigment into the keratin, producing the bright colors we see in our hair. There are two main types of hair follicles, eumelanin and pheomelanin. Eumelanin is responsible for dark hair colors, such as black and brown, and can be seen in varying degrees in brunettes and dark hair. On the other hand, pheomelanin is responsible for lighter hair colors, including blonde and red, and is more common in people with blonde and red hair. The balance and concentration of these pigments determine the specific shade of hair color. With age, the production of melanin decreases and the hair color gradually changes from its original color to gray and then white. This process is a natural part of aging. However, if this melanin reduction occurs early, it may be a sign of problems or conditions. Identifying these issues is important for those with gray hair in the front because they can indicate other health problems. In the following parts of this video, we will explore the various factors that can cause gray hair, including vitamin and mineral deficiencies, genetic factors, stress, smoking, thyroid disease, chemical hair coloring, and sun damage. By understanding these factors, you will gain valuable insight into how to manage and possibly reduce graying in the future. So stay tuned to find out why your hair is turning gray faster than expected and what you can do about it. These melanocytes are located in the hair follicle, which is where the hair follicle begins. Each hair grows from a hair follicle. As the hair grows, the melanocytes inject pigment, melanin, into the keratin-containing cells. Keratin is a protein that makes up our hair, skin, and nails. Over the years, the melanocytes inject the pigment into the keratin of the hair, giving it a colorful color. As we age, melanin production decreases. Hair turns gray and eventually turns white. It's a natural process. However, problems can occur when melanin production is impaired for other reasons. This can happen for a number of reasons. Let's look at some of the main causes of gray hair. 1. Deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Deficiency of vitamins such as B6, B12, vitamin D, or vitamin E can cause graying before. Vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the main causes of gray hair. Vitamin B12 is essential for metabolism, DNA synthesis, and overall energy levels. Researchers have found that people with gray hair often lack vitamin B12, folic acid, and biotin. These vitamins are very important for the growth of hair because the hair is one of the most active parts of the body, which produces millions of cells every day and is included in hair growth. Since hair is not an important part of our body, the lack of these vitamins first appears in the hair, which shows gray, thin, or broken. Supplemental use of these nutrients in patients who have gone gray in the past can prevent hair loss and restore hair color. A lack of certain minerals such as zinc, calcium, copper, and iron can contribute to early lactation. Supplementing with these trace elements can help reverse or prevent the development of gray hair. 2. Genetics. People experience gray hair for many reasons, but it is often related to natural aging and genetics. It usually happens because it runs in the genes of the family. Find out when your relatives or parents started going gray and see if it matches your timeline. The researchers found a gene called IRF4 on chromosome 6 that affects the graying of frontal hair. Although this gene may not be the only gene that controls graying, it provides new opportunities for research. Experts believe that many genetic factors and some environmental factors are involved in this ancient practice. IRF4 is the only model we know of at this time. Gray hair spots are irreversible, but if you want to cover your gray hair or embrace it, there are many hair products and colors available. No. 3. Stress is a major cause of gray hair, especially premature graying. Stress activates the sympathetic nervous system, which produces hormones such as cortisol and norepinephrine. Excessive production of norepinephrine reduces melanocyte stem cells in the hair follicle. Stem cells are like the progenitors of melanocytes in the hair follicle. As the number of melanocytes decreases, the appearance of the hair decreases and gray hair appears. Many people report gray hair after a stressful event, such as the death of a loved one or relationship problems. Try to manage your stress by incorporating activities like meditation, yoga, and regular exercise into your daily routine. No. 4. Smoking is often associated with gray hair. The Indian Journal of Dermatology published a study of over 200 people and concluded that smokers were 2.5 times more likely to develop gray hair than non-smokers. Another study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology also linked smoking to premature graying in young adults. The same mechanism applies to stress. Free radicals produced by smoking can damage the melanocytes that produce melanin. No. 5. Thyroid diseases, especially hypothyroidism, are common causes of gray hair, especially in women. Hypothyroidism is often accompanied by telogen effluvium, a type of hair loss, including dry, brittle, and dull hair. Telogen effluvium is characterized by hair loss and thinning. Hair in patients suffering from thyroid disease has greatly reduced its strength and tends to break. No. 6. Chemical hair color. Chemical hair dyes and hair products can contribute to gray hair. Many of these products contain harmful substances that reduce melanin production and lead to white hair. Consider using henna or herbal dyes that do not contain harmful chemicals and are less damaging to the hair. In addition, natural dyes are often more nutritious than chemical dyes. No. 7. Bad day. Excessive exposure to the sun can cause hair damage, dryness, and graying. The sun emits UVA and UVB rays that can be harmful to the scalp. This damage leads to gray hair. The sun lightens the hair color. Because the hair on the outside of the scalp is dead, the active melanocytes of the hair follicle cannot protect the hair strand from the sun. As a result, the hair becomes white and damaged. To protect your hair, consider wearing a hat and using hair products with UV filters. Therefore, lack of vitamins and minerals, genetics, thyroid disease, smoking, chemical hair dyes, and sun damage are some of the main causes of gray hair. Each of these factors play a different role in how and why our hair loses color faster than expected. For example, a lack of vitamins and minerals can disrupt the natural process of melanin production. Lifestyle choices, such as smoking and exposure to harmful chemicals, can affect hair health. In addition, genetic factors and thyroid disorders can significantly affect the timing and appearance of gray hair. Understanding these issues is the first step to correcting and possibly reversing the gray front. It is important to look at your general health, lifestyle, and genetics to get the full picture of why you are experiencing this change. For those who care about the health of their hair, there are many ways to reduce or delay the graying process. In our next video, we will look at specific vitamins and minerals that you should consider adding to your diet to fight gray hair. We'll explore how these nutrients support hair health, the best sources of each vitamin and mineral, and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. From the role of B vitamins to the benefits of antioxidants and minerals, we cover everything you need to know to give your hair the best chance to retain its natural color for long. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss this important information. By subscribing, you will stay up to date with our latest news and receive tips, advice, and insights on maintaining healthy hair and managing various hair concerns. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this journey to better hair health. If you found this video useful, please share it and share it with people who may benefit from it. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know if you have any questions, personal experiences with gray hair, or topics you'd like us to cover in the videos below future. Your feedback and contributions help us create articles that are relevant to you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair. Remember that keeping a healthy lifestyle and being aware of what's going on with your hair can make all the difference. Can't wait to see the next video. Stay connected and live.